Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am doing another set of nails for you. And today I'm going to be doing the Kiss. It's called Gel Fantasy Ready to Wear Gel. It comes with glue and adhesive tabs. So today I will be trying the adhesive tabs with it. So the reason I'm wanting to do the adhesive tabs with these today is because I don't plan on wearing these for very long. So I am going to do the mega adhesive tabs. That way they're easier to take off, and that way I still have a beautiful set of nails and a beautiful manicure that will last me throughout the weekend. Stay tuned to see how I do my nails. Okay, so let's open these babies up. These are the mega adhesive tabs that it comes with. You can see here that it comes with glue. This color is so pretty. I love this color because I just feel like it has a very fall looking color to it. So excuse all of my clothes in the background. I'm doing a huge closet clean out. So I am posting things to eBay almost daily and trying to sell all the things I'm trying to get rid of. So that is why I have a huge clothing rack in the background. But this is what I am working off of today, so I'm just turning the camera down just so you guys can see like what I'm doing. I don't necessarily just want to do a close-up shot because I know you guys like when I talk to the camera, so I am trying to be better about just doing that and not just focusing on my hands, because I know that can be kind of boring. So I will just explain to you everything that I'm doing as I'm doing it. So definitely stay tuned. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you want to see more of my nail videos. Thank you for tuning in today, and let's get into the nail video. I have my little bowl of like nail goodies here, and basically it's just my little buffing brick that I have, and it just each side does something a little bit different for the surface of your nail. And then I have both of my nail files. One is a coarse nail file and one is kind of worn down. It's not as coarse. And then I also have my cuticle pusher, which I use sometimes, but I don't always use it. So I don't want to use it today, but I think for the sake of doing a good tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I use it. So stay tuned. Everybody's nail size is a little bit different, so it's very important to compare your nails to these nails and figure out what fits you exactly right. Do have numbers on them, like these do have numbers at the tip. So I unfortunately can't show it to you guys because my camera literally will not focus on it, but it's up here at the very tip. Zeros and ones are pretty big. My thumb size is more like a 2 or 3, so usually I end up going with that number. My middle finger is a 4, which means my pointer finger will be a 5 or a 6 because it's smaller. I don't see a 5, so I'm going to go ahead and put the 6s in the pointer section. I'm going to do a little gold accent nail. It's kind of hard to see, but it's gold. One of these days, I'm going to get a camera that focuses so good. So good. You have to give my camera credit because it tries. You can't really see the numbers on this, so just use your best judgment because it is lighter and it's clear on the bottom. You can't see any numbers really engraved in it, so just use your best judgment when comparing it to your actual nail. My pinky nail is a 10. I have all of my nails picked out for my manicure, and I'm going to go ahead and just buff, file, and push my cuticles back before I put these nails on. I'm going to use the side that says buff nail. And this step it's not necessary, I don't think, for press-on nails, but if you like to do it, I totally understand. Sometimes I do it, sometimes I don't. It just depends on if I want to clean up my nails, and then that way when I take my nails off, they're not as like in need of some, you know, some love. Sometimes if you go ahead and just do this step, then you don't have to like clean up your natural nail as much. If you use glue, that's a different story. Glue, I swear, it like tears up my nails, so I have to be very careful with glue. And with glue, the longer you wear your nails, the easier they are to take off. And I think the easier it is to get the glue off because it has that time to like wear down. Also, soaking them in hot water helps too, instead of just soaking them in acetone. I'm going to take my coarse nail file, and I know I don't file in one direction. It's not really the correct way to file, but I am just going to try and even up the ends here. Again, sorry that I'm kind of like off to the side. I just want you guys to see what I'm doing with the nails and what I'm doing with my hand. This is the situation that we're working with here. Push the cuticle back, and I did wash my hands prior to this too. Okay, so now that I've pushed my cuticles back on both hands, I am going to go ahead and take some rubbing alcohol. My hands are already washed with soap and water. This is really just the last step before you apply the adhesive and the nail, is to just go ahead and rub this all over your nail so that you get any extra like oil or residue off of your nail. I'm going to take a dry cotton ball, and I'm going to just make sure that it's nice and dry. You want any form of liquid on your nail before you apply these. As far as which one to put with what nail, it has numbers on it, so it tells you which one goes on what. Not using the glue because I don't want to wear these for over a week. I really am just going to be wearing these for a few days and then taking them off because I can't wear these at work. I'm on a date tonight, and I would like to have nice nails for my little date. You just kind of match this up with the corresponding number that you need. So it does come with a nail file and a cuticle pusher if you would like to use those. Totally up to you. I just thought that you should know that it comes with these things. Well, my pointer finger is a size 6, so I'm going to find a size 6 sticker. So this sticker, it's hard to see, but it is round on the bottom and it's flat at the top. One side is sticky and one side is not, and it has a very small film on it. So what I'm going to do is press the sticky side down on my natural nail. Want the adhesive to be facing down against your actual nail, and then you want the straight end to be at the tip of your nail. I'm gonna go ahead and just put all the stickers on my nails so you guys can see what they look like. So the straight end is the tip of the nails. And then there's a little film on top, so I'm going to peel those off and put the nails on. So you're not peeling off the whole tab, you're literally just peeling off this little film. And it is super thin. So like I just peeled off the little film that was over the adhesive tab that's on my finger. So then I'm just going to take the nail and stick it onto the adhesive and just press down. And this is just like the Impress press-on nails. You just press them down. The only difference is that you are adding the adhesive tab yourself. They're not already on the nail. That's the only difference. Again, I just peeled off that little film. And then I'm matching that cuticle up with my nail, make sure it's straight, and then I'm pressing down hard because you want to make sure they stay on. I'm sorry that my camera doesn't have like super focus or super zoom on it. I wish it did, so you guys could really see this really good. Then I'm going to do the same thing with the other set of nails on the other hand. I like to wait to do my thumbs because you're putting a lot of pressure on that area when you're putting the rest of the nails on, so I like to save the thumb for the end. I have to match up with I have to use like the little plastic it came in. The numbers that are on there, I have to match them up with the tab to figure out which one I need to use for my nails. You can take them off and readjust them, the Mega Adhesive tab, but try not to do that. And then if you already have put the nail on, definitely don't remove it and try to fix it. So you can see I have the tabs on this hand and I got the nails on these. I went ahead and put my thumb adhesive tabs on too. Sometimes you kind of have to like play with it to get that like tease the film up. If you forget to take the film off, you'll find out really fast because it will not stick. Could use tweezers for this part if you wanted to like get the film up, because as you're like putting the nails on, It's kind of hard to get them off the film part. If you use the tips of the nails, it actually helps a lot to get the film up. Last but not least, the thumbs. And you want to make sure it lines up just like this. Just line it up with the cuticle down here, and then you want to press down. Okay, so I just wanted to give you guys a close-up since my camera was having a hard time focusing. But like I said, when you put this on, you just line the cuticle up with your natural cuticle, and then you just push down really hard. Once you get all these nails attached, you push down really hard one more time. Make sure you get all those air pockets out. Make sure you get a really good seal on all of your nails. And then don't forget, don't get your nails wet for at least 30 minutes to an hour after you put these nails on, because you don't want any moisture to get into any leaks or air pockets and cause that adhesive to come up. And then this is just what I was referring to as far as the numbers that the tabs come with. So basically you have 2 sections of tabs. I know it's hard to see because it's clear, but basically you just match up the little scale here with those tabs. That way you can figure out which one you need. So like if you had a size 1 for your nail, then this is the tab that you would get. I just wanted to make sure I explain that as good as I can, because I know that that can be kind of confusing. I myself even have to like look at this really hard and compare the tabs sometimes before I figure out which one I need. So definitely don't feel bad if this is a little bit confusing. If you are still confused about this, definitely leave me a comment and I will explain further. But I hope this explains that well enough. I believe that they give you 2 sections because just in case you want to do another set, or if you have nails that are kind of repetitive, like I used the number 6 twice per hand, so I needed 4 of the number 6 tabs. So I think they just give you 2 sections just so you have extra. Maybe a lot of your nails are similar size, kind of like mine. My pointer and my ring finger are usually about the same size. So yeah, so I hope that made sense. And then these are the little film tabs that you peel off of the nail when you put that mega adhesive tab on. Hope this all made sense. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to see more of my nail tutorials and more of my nail sets. I have lots of nails and I have lots of great videos to show you guys. So definitely stay tuned. Let me know what you think. Alright you guys, that is the end of the nail tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it made sense. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials, more vlogs, DIY beauty, and definitely let me know in the comments what you think. Do you like this color? Do you like this set of nails? Do you like the way that I did mine? Just leave me a comment, show me some love, let me know what you guys think. I am always trying to improve my videos. I'm always trying to bring you what I can that is my best video. So just bear with me. I am trying to improve, and thank you so much for tuning in today. If you are new, please subscribe, hang around, and if you are returning, thank you so much for returning, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye.